Alright, this is just a quick random video of a EMD SD40-2 mid-production Kato model that has had an ESU LokSound, excuse me, 58741 decoder installed, along with a 15x8, 15x8 sugar cube speaker and 3D printed housing. Actually, since we're right here, I will, and this is easy enough, just pull apart. And I don't know how well I'm gonna, my hand's in the way first off. Let's see if we can fix that. There we go. Set that right there so you can see the sugar cube speaker. I did machine off a bit in the back so everything would fit properly, and then that's the ESU board. You reuse the clips and isolate that, and there you go. So we're just going to put him back together. Put him right there. Hit F8. Hit the headlights. Not sure how well they show up on here. Got a lot of light going here. And away we go. And there we go. EMD SD40-2 with a 58741 board installed. I'm not going to do tons of babbling about this one because I've done a bunch of these in the past. But, yeah, that's a pretty simple, quick, down and dirty install. So, anyways, hope you all have a great day.